I'm going to make the sweet and sour chicken for dinner because my butt is hungry. It's already pre-packaged. Skillet to table in minutes. Okay, let's see. Any dummy can do this. Open pouch, empty into a 10-inch skillet, add frozen contents, bag add 2 tablespoons of water, then cook medium high heat, whatever. Occasionally stir until stirred. That's simple enough. I think I can do that. Alright, let's get 2 tablespoons of water. Says 2, but we shall see. Oh, I gotta get scissors to cut this open. Oh, scissors, where thou might be in this house, where shall I find scissors? Scissors! This should not be a rocket scientist. Let's see. I'm gonna have to get my other scissors. Let's try other scissors. So we're gonna see how many scissors does it take to open a bag. This is the sweet and sour chicken. What the hell? See if I can do this. I just need to get like a hole in here big enough to get my fingers through and pry this baby open. This is supposed to be an easy task, just because half the problem is opening the bag. Woohoo! Got it. Contents in. Okay. Okay, then I guess medium high. Cook covered well, medium high, 12-13 minutes, or until thoroughly stirring occasionally. Stir and serve. I think that's pretty much it. I think I have to put hot water in this one. Yep. Hot water in a bowl. Yeah, it says thaw under warm water several seconds, and we're good to go. So that's pretty much about it. I gotta wait until this cooks, stirs, and then that's pretty much it. And then you stir that in, and then you're good to go.